Welcome, welcome, how art ye this present day? Those who may know me call me Benvolio, the peacekeeper among gents and ladies. Mine senses are lapsed. Commence, speak thine piece. Ye hast eagle sound of a man in his grave.
Young events hath captured mine tongue this day.
Young events hath captured mine mind this day.
Young events hath captured mine life this day.
How now, ho, ye do dwell considerably on past life's partakings. Behold the future. Withhold former endeavours, they matter not. Ye do move me well. Wherefore art ye speechless?
Those who may know me call me by Don John.
Good morrow, Don John.
I thank you haply. Feelings of boredom and sadness hath made themselves present, ridding them possible as freezing fire that ignites a soldier's torch.
Those who may know me call me Iago.
Good morrow, Iago.
I grant you mercy. The wound I possess presently bleeds out mine will to continue with life happily.
Those who may know me call me Lady Macbeth.
Good morrow, lady.
You are thanked, good gents. Mine only wish is to know breath in mine lungs.
Ye doth not know what I wish to commune. Do not only speak of one's grievances, ye should ponder the valorous things here. Judge this. Whither doth thine interests reside? Interests, good sir? Yes, interests. Judge what? Consider your joyous occasions and such. Your meaning escapes me. Joyous occasions? Wherefore art thou mimicking my character?
But, good sir, thy meaning escapes me also. I believe to know thy intent. Thou hast clever thinking indeed, comrades. He asks this: what doth thou place in highest estimation?
Yes, good phrasing, brother.
Love springs and Don Pedro falling, wedding bells ringing, yet Claudio bawling, a time at which I could sit among kings. These are to few of mine own favorite things.
I yield the string, this flock parrot's a puppet, kind but then sly, 'tis a status I covet, getting cast malt warm when he shouldn't be. These are a few of mine own favorite things.
Womanhood covers mine thoughts such as the mask. I pray thee unsex me to execute mine task. How the sword of a woman just as much stings. These are a few of mine own favorite things. When two lovers kiss,
when Othello speaks,
when I'm feeling wicked, I simply remember mine own favorite things, and hence I don't feel so bad. Wedding bells ringing, yet Claudio bawling.
These gents heed less of the night till I twist it,
confining my fear to change fate of kings. These are a few of mine own favorite things. Setting up love tricks and deceiving my kin, all while I sit back and see quarrels begin.
Note the green-eyed monster, that's jealousy. These are a few of mine own favorite things.
Womanhood covers mine thoughts such as the mask. Macbeth happily abiding just as I ask. All the joy a villainous plot doth bring. These are a few of mine own favorite things. When lovers kiss,
when Othello speaks,
when I'm feeling wicked, I simply remember mine own favorite things, and hence I don't feel so bad.
Great session, guys. See everyone next week?
Yeah, see you then. Well, I got a dentist appointment, so I can't make it.
Okay, man, that's cool. I'll be here. Maybe. Depends on my mood. Alright. See you guys later.